I write my homework every weekend. I write my homework every weekend. I wrote my homework last weekend. I wrote my homework last weekend. I mop the floor every Sunday. I mop the floor every Sunday. I mopped the floor last Sunday. I mopped the floor last Sunday. I fold my clothes every day. I fold my clothes every day. I folded my clothes yesterday. I folded my clothes yesterday. I clean my room window every weekend. I clean my room window every weekend. I cleaned my room window yesterday. I cleaned my room window yesterday. She enjoys watching the rain through the window every time it rains. She enjoys watching the rain through the window every time it rains. She enjoyed watching the rain through the window yesterday. She enjoyed watching the rain through the window yesterday. She looks at her face in the mirror every day. She looks at her face in the mirror every day. She looked at her face in the mirror yesterday. She looked at her face in the mirror yesterday. I watch cartoons on the TV every evening. I watch cartoons on the TV every evening. I watched cartoons on TV yesterday evening. I watched cartoons on TV yesterday evening.
My brother plays video games every day. My brother plays video games every day. My brother played video games yesterday. My brother played video games yesterday.
I run in the park every evening. I run in the park every evening. I ran in the park yesterday evening. I comb my hair every morning. I comb my hair every morning. I combed my hair yesterday morning. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. I brushed my teeth last night before going to bed. I brushed my teeth last night before going to bed. I wash my face every day. I wash my face every day. I washed my face yesterday. I washed my face yesterday. I think about it every day. I think about it every day. I thought about it yesterday. I thought about it yesterday.